To turn off the Simplified Depths feature in Splitwise, you need to adjust your settings within the app. The Simplified Depths feature helps to consolidate multiple depths between friends or group members into a simplified version, making it easier to settle the amounts. If you want to turn it off, follow these steps. Open the Splitwise app. Launch the Splitwise app on your device or go to the Splitwise website if you're using a browser. Go to your group or personal settings. If you're in a group, select the group for which you want to disable Simplified Depths. Otherwise, go to settings if you want to change the feature for your personal account. Navigate to Simplified Depths option. In the group or personal settings, look for the Simplified Depths option. This is where Splitwise automatically calculates and simplifies how much each person owes or is owed. Disable Simplified Depths. You will find an option to turn off Simplified Depths. Toggle the switch or deselect the option that says Enable Simplified Depths to turn it off. Save changes. After turning off the feature, make sure to save your settings.